In advanced manufacturing, joining dissimilar materials remains a constant challenge, and ceramic brazing components offer the ideal solution. Brazing technology allows for a secure bond between ceramics and metals, maintaining the ceramic's high hardness, wear resistance, and high temperature resistance while also possessing the metal's high strength and excellent conductivity. This combined advantage makes ceramic brazing components widely used in vacuum technology, electronic packaging, sensors, medical devices, aerospace, and other fields. Compared to traditional connection methods, ceramic brazing components offer high airtightness, strong bonding strength, and excellent corrosion and thermal shock resistance, enabling stable operation in vacuum, high pressure, and extreme temperature environments. At Gorgeous, we offer high-performance ceramic brazing components, supporting a variety of ceramic metal combinations, such as alumina, aluminum nitride, silicon nitride, and molybdenum, tungsten, and titanium alloys. From standard components to customized solutions, we are committed to bringing reliable and stable products to our customers worldwide. Choose Gorgeous and let ceramic brazing technology empower your projects, unlocking new possibilities for joining high-performance materials.